young family commissioned Tab to design their home in one of Mumbai's prestigious apartment projects built by Lodha. A far run from the tropical brief was that they wanted to create a home where they could create memories and not a confined, delicate showroom of fancy materials. On entering the home, the expanse and openness of the house emerges as one walks down the foyer. On one side is the industrial shelled kitchen space that partly overlooks the foyer, while on the other side is a long bookshelf. The most interesting element here is the rotating wooden circular unit between the linear shelves. This is created with intent to generate intrigue and play for the kids. The living room encompasses within it a formal zone and an informal zone without a barrier demarcation. The eclectic nature of design is witnessed as one unravels the living space. A muted, polished concrete flooring travels all along the living space. The red bespoke couch from Barrow sits pretty against an exposed white brick wall. Tucked in beautifully behind the brick wall that flanks the couch is hidden full-height bar. The bar neatly slides along the wall and the ledge. It contains within itself chair seating, wine racks and glassware slots. The living opens into the terrace garden space. The garden has a central lotus pond filled with a school of guppy fish. The wall here is a lime-plastered wall adorned with a series of wall lanterns. The whole space transforms into a fairy tale scene in the evening. The kitchen has been designed in a way that it opens into the living and the foyer. The motif inlay forms a different pattern within the space as it interjects the concrete flooring herein. Stained wood and terrazzo makes up the kitchen furniture elements. The L-shaped seating is complemented with wooden chairs on the other side. The 6-seater dining flanks the island table. The dining seating is an RCC cast exposed concrete finished in situ seating. The table is made up of reclaimed wood that has been polished and seasoned. The master bedroom is a simple clean space, following the principle of minimal furniture. This space too is bereft of anything unwanted. A teal color wall acts as a highlight of the space. The furniture is made of teak wood. Color staining on wood has been experimented in large portions throughout. The clients wanted a connection between the kids and the master rooms. They didn't want the kids to be confined within their rooms. They created a space free for the kids to roam about, play and interact between their parents. The walls in the kids' room are chalkboard walls, giving the kids the freedom to explore their creativity.